It's been a cold and rainy couple of days, so we want to get back to the weather now. Robert, obviously a dreary start to 2021, but you say that's not going to last.
No, and just when I think we're out of the woods, we're not. You know, we had all the rain, and then I thought, well, we'll get through the snow and that'll be it. We got through the snow, now we got to get through the fog before we can get through the sun. Dense fog advisory just been issued from the Weather Service. Handful of counties, we're talking about McDonald County, Missouri, Delaware and Adair counties in Oklahoma, and then Benton, Washington, Madison, and Carroll counties in our area. This goes from 10 o'clock tonight through 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you're in any of these counties, you can expect visibilities at times to be below a quarter of a mile. So let's time out that fog for you here. You can see as we go through the overnight hours, really building in across northwest Arkansas. You can see projected visibilities near zero here, so very thick fog. I think the River Valley should be okay, mostly across northwest Arkansas, and we're going to have temperatures well below freezing, so those suspended water particles in the atmosphere can freeze if they make contact with surfaces, so watch for slick spots. Quiet right now in Fayetteville. You got up to 35 degrees. Really not a big spread today in temperatures thanks to that cloud cover and the snow. Fort Smith, also a chilly day, a little bit warmer, 42. Look at that record high. 75 today in 2004. Temperatures right now pretty uniform across the board. Most everybody in the lower to mid 30s at this hour. That flood warning just was allowed to expire across sections of the River Valley for the Poto River here. They actually just canceled that a little bit earlier than they thought, so some good news for the River Valley. Here's that system that brought us our snow continuing to pull away in the overnight hours, leaving us with just some high clouds and that fog to develop. But we're going to be under the influence of an area of high pressure that's going to be well to our south, but the flow around that high is going to bring us some southerly winds, and we all know what southerly winds bring: warmer air. And it's been a while since we've had some warmer air into the area. It will be here next week. Lows tonight mostly in the mid to upper 20s across the entire region. We'll rebound quite nicely tomorrow. Warmer than we have been. Lower 50s, almost said 30s there, used to that, but lower 50s for northwest Arkansas. Meanwhile, mid 50s for the River Valley. A nice day shaping up once that fog dissipates, which it should by the mid-morning hours, both Sunday and Monday for northwest Arkansas. Lots of sunshine each day, and then we're watching the chance for a couple of showers with our next weather maker that'll roll in here, but not until the middle part of next week. Look at those temperatures, near 60 degrees on Tuesday. It'll be a nice day before that next weather maker rolls in here. About the same thing for the River Valley, but they will not have the fog issues that northwest Arkansas will have. So they'll probably be warming up a little bit faster than northwest Arkansas. You can see 58 on Monday, 63 on Tuesday. A very nice day out there, and then things start to go downhill for a couple of days as we're watching that system slide. Right now it looks weak, bring us a couple of showers, maybe a mix possible on Thursday, but temperatures will be nice and warm, and then we dry back out by the time we get to next weekend. So stay tuned. We got sports coming up on the other side of the break.